All right, welcome back to my English class. Right, in today's class, we are going to see what is the meaning of ascribe. In case we see it in a sentence, what is the meaning of it? What is the function of the ascribe in a sentence? Now, a lot of students find it difficult when they see the word ascribe in a sentence. Ascribe is different from describe. I'll come up with a different video or another video talking about describe. But here, I want us to look at the word ascribe. From today, after this video, you understand it clearly how to use the word ascribe. Now, when we say ascribe, it means the cause, the attributes, or the character, the characteristics of something. Now, let me put a sentence example, then we'll explain. The sentence will give us clear meaning and understanding. So that from today, again, when you see it in a sentence as a student, now you may be able to give a concrete answer to your question. Right. So, just as you can see, that is what you can see. Scientists ascribe the hot weather as pollution to the sky. Just look at the sentence very carefully. Scientists ascribe the hot weather as pollution to the sky. What does it mean? The scientist there is the subject, in this particular sentence. So the scientists there are talking about some cause. What is the cause there? So you can see hot weather is what happens when the cause of pollution to the sky what happens. So you see that before the hot weather is happening that we are seeing all together in the world now, scientists is telling us the pollution to the sky, which is the happenings, is what is causing the hot weather. So we can see in these sentences that there are two happenings. One will happen only if there is a cause. So the cause in this sentence is the pollution to the sky. The hot weather we will not have been seeing the hot weather if there is no pollution to the sky. So you understand? So anytime you see ascribe in the sentence, it means there is a cause of something that makes something happen. Right. In this case, we are going to see now, since now you have seen that the cause or attribute is another word for ascribe, then now I'll form another sentence with attribute and cause. So let's start again with attribute. So let's see how we can use attribute. So just as you can see on the screen, scientists attribute the hot weather as pollution to the sky. I don't want to change the sentence. I'm going to use the same sentence so that at the end, we'll write all the three together. Then you will see that they are all the same. So, you see here, scientists attribute the hot weather as pollution to the sky. So, you see in this case, attribute there now replaces the word ascribe. So, anytime you see something like attribute, is the same as ascribe. Scientists attribute the hot weather as pollution to the sky. So the pollution to the sky, now the attributes of what does attribute means? It means, let me use a tree as an example. When you see a tree, the branches will never come to a tree or will never hang on a tree, except the tree also give them the chance to come out to become the branches. So the hot weather is a branch to the pollution to the sky. I hope you understand. So scientists attribute the hot weather as pollution to the sky. So let's say the pollution of the sky is what? Meaning the pollution of the sky produces or attributes the hot weather. So now you understand? Right, let's see how, since cause is another word, let's look at how to also use cause in the same sentence. So now, the cause is another word to replace the word ascribe. So let's look at the the word cause in a sentence. So let's see. Scientists say the cause of hot weather is pollution in the sky. So you see, so this is clear meaning now. So when you see the word ascribe, it means cause. So scientists say the cause of hot weather is pollution in the sky. So anytime you see the word ascribe in a sentence, if you are a student, it means the cause, so that it can help you to give a specific and a clear meaning answer to any sentence. So scientists say the cause of hot weather is pollution in the sky. So this means that pollution in the sky, what caused the hot weather? It is the pollution in the sky. So there are two happenings: hot weather and pollution in the sky. The pollution in the sky caused the hot weather to be happening. You see? So right, these are some of the reasons. So it means in a sentence where you see ascribe, it means there are two happenings. One is the cause and one is the attribute. One comes when there is a cause. So now you understand? Right. Right. So now you understand the word ascribe and the meaning of it. I believe now when you see this in a sentence or somebody say this word, you'll be boldly to say that you can be able to understand this very word clear. So let me put all the three sentences which you can see: ascribe, cause, and attribute. So just as you can see on the screen, scientists ascribe the hot weather as pollution to the sky. So the word underline ascribe. Scientists attribute the hot weather as pollution to the sky. The scientists say the cause of hot weather is pollution to the sky. What does it mean? So ascribe, the first one, second one attribute, and the third one cause are the same meaning. So now, when you see a sentence and you see the word ascribe, you can convert it using attribute or cause so that it will be clear for you to be able to understand the sentence. If it's an examination, it comes in an examination, you can understand. In an examination, or when somebody is saying something, before you can give a specific answer, then you must understand the meaning of the sentence. So the word ascribe means the cause of something. Something may happen only if there is a cause. Right? I hope you now understand the word ascribe. Keep on following me, subscribe, and share my videos. Bye for now.